Disconnect the power supply. Remove the circuit box outer panel. Locate the gray wire conduit. Loosen the securing screws and disconnect the linked circuitry. Remove the cable tie. Unscrew the screw beneath the media sensor. Remove the outer sensor. Extract the entire gray wire conduit. Similarly, remove the inner sensor. Installation of new paper feed sensor. On the sensor wiring, locate the markings 11, 22 respectively. Unscrew the screw and washer beneath the sensor. Install the corresponding sensors marked 11, 22 in their designated positions. Note: ensure the adjustment screw on the outer sensor faces outward. Feed the circuitry through the bottom opening into the circuit box. Connect the black wires to the circuits according to the 11, 22 markings. Then, connect the red and blue wires to their corresponding terminals. Neatly organize the wire conduit, secure it with a cable tie, and tuck it into the circuit box. Reinstall the circuit box outer panel. Reconnect the power cable and turn on the power. If the paper feed sensor's red light is illuminated, set the paper feed switch to manual and stop. Turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise until the red light turns off. Lift the paper pressure lever to the middle position. If the sensor's red light is not illuminated, simultaneously turn both adjustment screws clockwise until the red light just illuminates. Set the paper feed switch to manual and forward rotation.